And then in this year and beyond, the situation is going to get more complicated as employees demand technology parity, right? Ease of connectivity, user experience, access to apps and data, regardless of whether they're in the office, on the road, or working from home. So as such, businesses and IT leaders need to join forces to review their approach to end user computing to assure that staff are equipped and empowered to innovate and remain productive regardless of their location. Hybrid work models begin to dissolve boundaries between employers, employees, IT teams, and their locations. So at the core is a shift from output to outcomes, emphasizing how work tasks are completed rather than when and where. But really talking about this employee experience, we want to provide this central hub for all applications, SaaS apps, optimized by device type. We want single sign-on access to all of our apps and virtual desktops. I mean, that's something that we've done at SHI with some of our personal devices. So, when I log, I have a work area and a personal area on my device. All the apps that the company approves are in an app store that I can simply select to install, and then those apps are provisioned. So no matter where your employees get work done, you should have the means to quickly get them the tools they need, communicate frequently, and resolve any issues they experience. So the right digital workplace platform allows you to provide solutions to the top challenges your employees might face, giving them tools to succeed no matter the circumstances.
Let's take a small dive into virtual apps and desktops. And at a high level, most of the stuff is going to be stored in a data center somewhere. So whether it's in your own data center or in the cloud, whether it's it's going to be the hypervisors, the server components, and the storage. That's pretty much what drives this new ecosystem that you might adopt. And you might have some cloud apps streaming to your devices. So the goal that we want to point out is it's any device, anywhere, anytime, any place. Another thing to consider is how are you going to start deploying this new ecosystem out to your end users? Well, at first, we always recommend you getting to know who your end users are. So we like to break them out into personas. Maybe not so much groups like your HR department, your marketing department, but maybe the on-site office user, right? So they only work in the office. They access traditional business applications, and they really have no special device requirement. And then maybe you have a hybrid remote office user who primarily works in an offsite location, but does go into the office 1 day, 2 days a week. And they maybe have traditional applications that they need to access or job-specific applications. And are there any potential security requirements for that hybrid user?
It's always the best practice to, usually we'll do the workshop, the discovery kind of section, and then move to assessments, and then start moving into the actual migration. So cloud economics assessment, that gets you when we're getting into cloud. Because if you're going to go to cloud-based DaaS or virtual desktops, it's a good time to really think about where am I with my cloud, with my people, with my cloud maturity, my cloud governance. So we help customers understand the costs and establish the governance that Brad mentioned to really be successful when they go there.